In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add the time-based comparison tool in TradingView Pro. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly where to find it, how to add it to your chart, and how to start using it to compare different time periods in a clean, efficient way. First, make sure you're logged into your TradingView Pro account and you have a chart open. It can be any market you like, such as a stock, a crypto pair, or a forex pair. Once your chart is up, look towards the top of the screen for the button labeled Indicators. This is where TradingView keeps all the built-in tools and scripts that you can apply to your chart. Go ahead and click on Indicators to open the Indicators and Strategies panel. When that panel pops up, you'll see a search box at the top. This is the easiest way to find specific tools without scrolling through long lists. Click on the search box so your cursor is active there and you're ready to type. Now, start typing the name Time-Based Comparison Tool. As you type, TradingView will automatically filter the list of indicators and show you the closest matches. If you don't see it immediately, double-check your spelling and make sure you are looking under the correct section in the results, usually the built-in or community scripts area, depending on how the tool is categorized. Once you see the time-based comparison tool appear in the list, move your mouse over it and click on it one time. TradingView will instantly apply it to your active chart. After adding it, you should see additional data or overlays appear on your chart, depending on how the tool is designed. Take a moment to hover over the indicator name in the chart legend, usually found at the top left of your chart area. From there, you can open its settings, adjust colors, line styles, and any time period inputs the script allows. This is where you can customize it to match your personal charting style and make the comparison as clear as possible. If you're not on TradingView Pro yet and you want to unlock more advanced tools and a smoother overall experience, check out the affiliate link in the video description. Using that link is a simple way to support the channel at no extra cost to you, while getting access to the same pro features I'm using in this walkthrough. Once you've followed these steps, you're ready to start exploring different time-based comparisons and integrating this tool into your regular TradingView workflow.